biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whipple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
If a young person in your team asks you, how do I build a career as meaningful as yours without leaving China direct? What would you tell them?
Well, I'll tell them, don't chase my career, build your own. And this company is the perfect scaffold to do it. Meaning doesn't come from like a title. It comes from seeing the direct line between your daily work and changing someone's life. In our world, that line is crystal clear. Here's the blueprint I'll give them. First, become a bridge, not just an employee. Master the art of translation, not just a language, but of context. Understand why an Australian standard exists. Then explain it to a factory engineer in terms of their production process. The person who can connect those two words is invaluable. Build that muscle. Second, fall in love with problem, not the processes. The process is our playbook, but the problem are where you earn your stripes. When a shipment is delayed, don't just report it. Own the solution. Call the shipping line, find the alternative route, present the option. The team member who brings me a problem with 3 solutions is the one I trust with bigger clients. Third, cultivate project eyes. Look beyond your task. See the whole project, the client's financing, their community's expectation, the builder's schedule. When you start thinking, if this facade is late, it holds up the roof, which stresses the client bankrupt. You've moved from logistic to partnership. That's when your career becomes strategic. Finally, protect the trust. In this business, our currency is trust. The client trusting on us. The factory trusting our word. Be the person who is brutally reliable. Do what you say, admit when you are wrong, follow up relentlessly. A reputation for integrity is the most powerful career capital you can build. So, build your career here by building a reputation out there. Be the person our clients request by name and our factory respect on site. This company will give you the platform, the responsibility, and the support. You bring the curiosity, the grit, and the heart. That's how you build a legacy, not just a resume.